another type of centrifugal governor that is called as the Hartnell governor. Now everything remains same. Instead of a dead weight, so spring is used. Thus कैसा है कि डेड वेट की जगह क्या दिया है? इट इज अ spring which is wound around the spindle. Okay, it is connected with the sleeve. Spring is connected with the sleeve. As the spring is in now, it also consists of the two balls. देखो डायग्राम में, डायग्राम clearly shows it is it has an extended arm. This is a typical diagram of a Hartnell governor. It is a spring-loaded governor, not a dead weight. Spring force will be act on the sleeve. When spring is elongated, it means that the sleeve will go down, and when spring will be get compressed, the sleeve will get toward the upward position. Elongate कब करेगी? डाउन हो रही है, इसका मतलब नीचे जा रही है, इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? The speed will be get decreased. स्पीड डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं तो ये दोनों बॉल कहाँ आएंगे? इट विल बी मूव टुवर्ड्स द स्पिंडल एक्सिस. इफ इट अगर ये फ्लाई बॉल अवे फ्रॉम द स्पिंडल एक्सिस जाएगा, इसका मतलब है स्पीड इंक्रीज हो रही है. स्पीड इंक्रीज हो रही है, इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? द स्लीव विल बी लिफ्टेड अप. स्लीव लिफ्टेड अप, इसका मतलब है क्या हो रहा है कि फ्लाई बॉल विल बी मूव अवे फ्रॉम द स्पिंडल एक्सिस. Entire function will be same. Now instead of there is a collar is there, see the collar is present. Two rollers are there which will handle the displacement in the wheel lever crank. Got it? Everything will remain same. Only the extended arm will be the downward arm. Speed जैसे ही बढ़ते हैं, fly ball will move away from the axis. Speed कम होती है, the fly ball will move toward the axis. This is a typical Hartnell governor. What the Hartnell governor is basically spring-loaded governor. It consists of a two-bale crank lever at a point O. Okay, a frame is attached. Now see where is the two-bale crank lever pivoted at point O to the frame. See that bale lever crank, bale crank lever. Got it? It will be attached at point O. O is the point where the roller is situated. दिख रहा है? O is the point where the roller is situated. Means bale crank lever will directly attach to the roller. Bale crank lever is directly attached to the roller. Got it? Now crank is attached to the governor spindle, therefore it rotates with it. Frame is attached, sorry, frame is attached to the governor spindle, therefore it rotates with it. ये जो फ्रेम दिख रहा है, इट इज अटैच टू द गवर्नर स्पिंडल, स्पिंडल के साथ अटैच है. इसका मतलब है जब फ्लाई बॉल रोटेट होगा, स्पिंडल रोटेट होगा तो वो फ्रेम भी रोटेट होगी. फ्रेम will also get rotate. Helical spring in compression provide equal downward force. on the two roller through the collar on the sleeve. Helical spring in the compression. Compression में helical. Compression means helical spring in compression will provide a downward force. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Helical spring in the compression will provide a downward force. Now see that A is a distance. On the left hand side, small a is the length of vertical arm, extended lower arm. A will be same, small a will be same on the left hand side, small a will be means it is the vertical length of a bell crank lever. What is small b? It is the horizontal length of bell crank lever. Small a plus small b plus ball will form a complete bell crank lever mechanism. It will be attached to the roller. When it will be move away from the roller, the speed will be increases and the it will be move away from. पीछे जाएगा, it will be move away from the. वो जैसे ही पीछे जाएगा, the spring will be get. जैसे स्पीड बढ़ेगी तो क्या होगा? See here it is clearly shown. Helical spring in compression provide equal downward force on the roller through the collar on the sleeve. Helical spring will provide a compression force. जैसी स्पीड बढ़ेगी तो balls will be move away from the spring or spindle axis and there will be a compression in the spring. Compression will force create in the spring. That compression force will move the sleeve. स्पीड बढ़ेगी इसका मतलब है उधर क्या होगा? क्रैंक उधर थ्रोटल वॉल गेट क्लोज. स्पीड कम होगी तो थ्रोटल वॉल गेट ओपन. मेन ओवरऑल फंक्शन विल बी सेम. स्पीड बढ़ रही है इसका मतलब है कि थ्रोटल वॉल कम क्लोज होगा. स्पीड कम हो रही है तो थ्रोटल वॉल ओपन होती जाएगी. एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट काम कर रहा है. इट इज वर्क एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. Now, what is the basic difference between the governor and the flywheel? It has option question governor versus flywheel. What is the basic difference? The governor control the mean speed of the engine, while a flywheel store the energy in the ring. गवर्नर क्या कर रहा है? गवर्नर will control the speed. Flywheel will store the energy depending upon the speed of the engine. दोनों फंक्शन अलग अलग है. Flywheel is an integral part of the IC engine, while the governor is not an integral part of the IC engine. It has to be attached separately to control the speed of four-wheeler. While as the as the flywheel is an integral part of the IC engine. It will store the energy inside it and supply the energy if required to the entire process and store the exchange energy which is developed during the power stroke of IC engine. IC इंजन का पावर स्ट्रोक जो है फोर स्ट्रोक में से पावर स्ट्रोक जो है तीसरा वाला अगर वो एक्सेस एनर्जी रिस्टोर करता है सेव कर रहा है that excess energy will be saved in a flywheel itself means the moment of inertia of the flywheel get increases during a power stroke or expansion stroke. It store or consume. Mean flywheel store, save or consume the energy. Same as the governor will utilize the energy from the engine. Governor क्या कर रहा है? It will utilize the energy from the engine, while the flywheel will utilize the energy or it will save the energy inside. ये ड्यूअल परपज कर रहा है लेकिन गवर्नर क्या कर रहा है इट विल यूटिलाइज द इंजन एनर्जी इंजन एनर्जी यूज कर रहा है इसका मतलब है इंजन की स्पीड यूज कर रहा है ओके दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस इन द flywheel the construction of the flywheel and the construction of the governor will be different energy stored in the flywheel is given by half I omega square where I is the moment of inertia and omega is the flywheel speed. I is equal to half r omega square. Yeah, mk square. We have already seen. Mass of flywheel, radius of wheel, and speed of wheel square. This much energy will be stored inside the flywheel. So this is the basic difference between Hartnell governor and so sorry, basic difference between governor and the flywheel.
सर गवर्नर और फ्लाईव्हील सेम मटेरियल से बना रहता है क्या?
कास्ट आयरन से बनता है
ओके सर।
flywheel is made up of cast iron लेकिन गवर्नर अलग अलग इससे बनता है flyball will be casted bell crank lever will be of high chromium steel sleeve will be a spindle and sleeve material will be of high carbon steel स्लीव कैसा है कि ज्यादा कम फ्रिक्शन आना चाहिए तो लाइट वेटेड क्रोम स्टील से भी बनता है वेटलेस होना चाहिए वो वेट होता है फिर बहुत कम होता है ओके the two
ओके सर।
one mass will the mass of the sleeve another mass will the mass of the flyball in both will be considered the effect of both masses the mass of the sleeve and the mass of the flyball will be shifted to the center of the flyball by means of centrifugal force during the dynamic motion of governing. It may increase the or it may decrease the centrifugal force depending upon the controlling force that is called as a centrifugal force. It will be horizontal, move away from or towards the spindle, while the weight of the fly ball will be vertically downward.